The election may be long over, but political tension is brewing between the Member of Parliament for Central Manchester, Rhoda Crawford, and the Councillor for the Knockpatrick Division, Carl Smith, over roadworks in the constituency. Speaking at a meeting in St Andrew on Sunday, Crawford blasted the councillor for criticising her leadership instead of, quote, doing his job. Kelisha Williams reports.
It's been months since many political representatives met with their constituents outside of Hurricane Melissa relief initiatives. But St Andrew North Central was buzzing with GLP supporters Sunday night as the Member of Parliament Delano Seavright reflected on his victory. However, it was the guest speaker, Central Manchester MP Rhoda Crawford, that had people talking.
Labour rights. I really have to send a message down to Manchester Central, back to the men in the Municipal Corporation.
Ms. Crawford was especially upset about recent comments made by the Councillor for the Knockpatrick Division in Manchester that she has been doing road repairs in the area without proper consultation with the Municipal Corporation.
Well, Councillor Carl Smith, you're not going to stop me from build the road them for better people's lives. If you were doing your job, I wouldn't have to be walking up and down and doing the job that the Municipal Corporation is supposed to be doing. And the whole heap of millions of dollars were missing from the parish council could have fixed every single parish council road down there we need for fix.
In going further, she said just before the general election, 10 roads were earmarked to be fixed in Manchester, and all MPs had to do a consultation.
Residents had to come to the meeting and recommend the 10 roads that they want to be fixed. And we were to be doing parish council roads. All of them were at the parish council meeting. The councillors them may talk, go lie at brother them. They were at the council meeting. They know of the roads that were recommended. We post the road them on the social media and we spoke about them.
In the meantime, newly minted Member of Parliament for St Andrew North Central, Delano Seavright, has promised residents that he will be building on the legacy of the former Member of Parliament, Carl Samuda, and strong focus is being placed on youth development.
We have to bring young people into the party. So we have our leadership and we're good, there's no problem. But we must have a young core to coming up. And then I want you, some other people in here who have decades of experience. You have to start transferring knowledge and experience to younger people and encourage them to grow too. That's how we became what we are. Some would have transferred in a rough way to me.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.